Method 1. Through Windows Settings. Step 1. Press Win-I on your keyboard to open Settings. Step 2. Click on Personalization. Step 3. Select Colors from the left panel. Step 4. Scroll down to choose your color and select Dark. Boom! Your Windows UI now looks cleaner, cooler, and easier on the eyes. Bonus tip: customize your dark mode. Want to customize it further? You can also tweak accent colors to match your vibe. Just below the dark mode setting, pick an accent color, or let Windows choose one from your wallpaper. And that's it! A quick and easy way to enable dark mode in Windows 10. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe to Fix Me Master for more tech fixes and tutorials. See you in the next one.